Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to link your bank accounts to Digit. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this, so let's get straight into it. First, open the Digit app and log into it with your credentials. Once you're logged in, on the home screen, you're going to tap Link Bank Accounts or go to the Settings menu and select Bank Accounts. You're going to be asked to enter your online banking credentials for your checking or savings account. Digit uses a secure third-party service to protect your data, so rest assured your information is safe. After entering your login information, Digit will connect to your bank and analyze your spending patterns to determine how much it can save without hurting your budget. If you have multiple accounts, you can link more than one bank account to Digit for better saving accuracy. Once your bank account is linked successfully, Digit will begin monitoring your transactions and automatically transfer small amounts into your Digit savings. And that's it. Linking your bank is simple, safe, and the first step towards smart savings. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to show you guys how Digit analyzes your spending habits. If this was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.